Hello kids. So I hope that you have revised the questions based on LCM based upon the both the approaches. And now in today's class, we are going to pick the exercise based upon the concept of LCM. Okay. So let us do few questions from 1 to 9 first. So I'm going to pick up 4th. I'm going to pick up 6th. Okay. And rest questions, these are homework for you. They are very, very easy kids. So let's do. So since we have to find the LCM and it is not mentioned which method we have to use here, so I am going to use the division method. Okay, so let's do this. We have 36, 16, 72 and all are even numbers, means we can start with 2 here. We have 2 into 18, 30, 36. Then again 2, 9, 15, 13. Now 3, because we have 9 and 15. So 3 into 3, 3 into 5 and 13. Now we are left with 3 things, 3, 5 and 13. We can take 3, 5 and 13. We have 5 and 13 are remainders, or we can also solve them. So what will be our LCM? The product of all these. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and the remainders. 5 into 13. Okay, so let us multiply all these. We'll have 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is 18, 5 into 2 is 10 and then 13. Let us multiply 18 with 13 in the rough part. 18 multiplied 3 will give us 54 and then 18 here. This is 234, right? So we have 2, 3, 4 and this 0 as the LCM, right? This is done. Now let's move to 6th question, which is answer 6, 16, 28, 40 and 77. So since 3 of the numbers are even, I'll start with 2. 2 into 8, 14, 20, 77. Then again we can take 2 here, right? We have 2 into 4, 7, 10, 77. I can take 2 again, 2, 7 as is, 5 and 77 as is. Now we can take 7, 2, 1, 5 and 11. Again 2, 1, 1, 5, 11. These are the remainders. Now what we have to do? We have to take out their product to find out their LCM. So we have 2 into 2 into 2, these 3, into 7 into 2, these 2, and into 5 into 11, right? So what we have to do is we have to find their product, right? So the product of this will give us the LCM. So the product, this product, it will be around 6160. Okay. If you multiply this, you will get this as the LCM. Now, let's go to another question. Find the HCF and LCM of these numbers. So kids, what I'm going to pick here is, I'm going to pick here question number 15 and question number 11. Okay. So, answer number 11. We have 234 and 572 as the given numbers. So let's try to find out their HCF first. What is HCF? 234, we will divide 572 with this, right? So let us try with 2. 2 into 4 is 8, 6 and 4, 68. So 468. Now 12 minus 8 will give us 4, 6 minus 6 will be 0 and 1 here. Now again with 234, we can do with 2, right? It will be 802. 14 minus 8 will give us 6 and 2 here. So kids, I'm just doing it here. 26 we have to divide. We have this as the remainder with 104, right? Now let me do it with 7. No. So 6, 36, 15. Not this also. 4. Right. This is the exact match with 4. So that means our HCF is 26. So kids, we have HCF as 26 here. Now we have to find out the LCM. So we can directly apply this formula. But let's try to find out using the method only. 234 and 572. So we have 234, 572. Let's start with 2 here. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 17. 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 8, 6. Right? And again, we can do this with 3 and 286. We cannot do with 3. So we have these numbers here, 117 and 286. So now let us try with 3. We have 3, 117. You can also do like this. We have 3 into 3 is 9 and 3, 9, 27. So we'll have 39. But this 286 is not divisible by this. So I'm writing this as this. Now again, I can do with 3, 3 into 1, 3 and 286 as is. And kids, this 286 is divisible by 3. See, 13 into 2 will give you 26 and 26 again. So 13 into 1 here and 13 into 22 here. Right? So now what is remainder? 22. So how can you find out the LCM? It is the product of 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 22. Right? This is 3 into 3 is 9 into 2 18 into 13 into 22. So if you multiply all these numbers, we are going to get the product of this, which is, let's see, let me do it fast. 18 into 3 is 54, 18, 4, 234, right? 234 into 22. This is 2486 and 4468 again. 8 plus 6 is 14. 6 plus 4 is 10, 11 and 1. So this will give us the product as 5148. Otherwise, we could have used another method also to find the LCM. That is the formula. Product of the two number is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Right? But here I have used the long method to show you that how we do LCM using this. Okay. So now this is done. And next is 2923 and 3239. Okay. Next we have is answer number 15, 2923 and 3239. So what we are going to do here is, now let's do this by another method. So first of all, we have to do the HCF 3239 and 2923. So it will be 1 and 2923. 9 minus 3 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 12 minus 9 is 3 here. And again 2923 we are going to take here. This is, let us try to do with 9. 9 into 6 is 54. 9 to 1 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 to 3 is 27 plus 1, 28. So this is 2844 here. Now 13 minus 4 is 9. 11 minus 4 is 7 and 0. So we have 79. I'm doing it here. 79 with 316. So let us try this. 4, 36, 31. This is the exact division. Okay, so what is our HCF? The last divisor, which is 79 here. So now kids, how we can find out LCM? Product of the two numbers 2923 into 3239 divided by 79. So we have to solve this By solving this, we will get that what is the LCM. So if we solve this, we will get the LCM as 11983. This is our LCM, right? And how we have done? We have just used the formula that the LCM multiplied by HCF, the product of these two is equal to product of these two, the given numbers, which we have done. So same I have used here. Next is, for each pair of numbers, verify that their product is equal to their LCM. So what we have to do, kids, here, again, we have to find their HCF. We are given two numbers. I am just giving you hint how we have to solve this question. This is same how we have done. We have A multiplied by B is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. And here, what is given to us is, we are given the numbers. We are given 87, we are given 145. What we can do, we can find out its HCF and then we can divide it by HCF to get the LCM, right? Similar thing we have done just now. Same with the other parts also. Next is, the product of two number is 2160. So now what is given to us is, this whole product is given to us. So I'm just solving it here, erasing this part, erasing the question number also. So let us do question number 17. What is said here is, this product of two number is 2160 given to us, and their HCF is 12. Their HCF is given to be 12. We have to find their LCM. So this is easy. What we will do, we will just divide 2160 with 12, right? We can divide this with 3 into 4, and then 3 into 7, 3, 2, and 0. And then with 4 directly, 4 into 1 is 4, 80. So LCM is 180 here. What we have done, we have just done the simple division and we have got the answer as 180 here. Now, what is the next question? The product of two number is this. Again, the product is given to us and their LCM is this. So now in this question number 18, what is given to us? This product is given and the LCM is given, and we have to find the HCF. So how we are going to do this? Same formula, right? I'm just writing how we have to do this, but this calculation, kids, you have to do this by yourself. Okay, you have to practice all these calculations and questions. The product of two number is 2560. This is given to us. And the LCM is 320 and we have to find the HCF. How we are going to do? We will divide this with 320. We'll get the HCF. Easy. Next, the HCF of two number is 145. So we are given HCF here in question number 19 and LCM is also given. Both are given. One number is 75, find the other. One number is also given to us. So how we are going to do this? Wait, I'm just erasing this fast. And we can do it here. Yeah. Answer 19. How we have to do? The HCF of two number is 145. HCF is 145, LCM is 2175. So, and one of the number is 725, find the other. Let the number which is not given to us be A, other number is 75. Their product will be equal to the product of 145 and 2175. Right? And now what we have to do? 145 into 2175 divided by 725. We have to solve this division, right? We have to solve this division, and by solving this, we are going to get the answer, which is 435 here. If you will do this calculation, solve it, this should be the answer. Next, the HCF and LCF of two numbers are this. If one number is this, find the other. This is again homework, kids. Easy, 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 I've given the hint. Now, find the least number which is divisible by this. So what we have to do? We have to find the least number, which is LCM. Homework. Find the least number which when divided by 25, 40 and 60 leave 9 as the remainder in each case. I will solve this. So what we have to do? We have to find the least number which when divided by this leave remainder 9. So let us find the least number. What we will do? Let us find its LCM. We'll use 5. This is 5 into 5, 5 into 8 and 12. And then we can use 4. 5 as is 4 into 2, 4 into 3. And then 5, or we can leave the remainder as is. So what will be the LCM? LCM will be 5 into 4 into 5 into 2 into 3. Right? This is 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 4 is 100. 100 into 6 is 600. So LCM is the 600. Now the question says find the least number which when divide this it leaves the remainder as 9. How we can get this? It will leave the remainder as 9. That means the original number will be the least number plus 9, because it will then leave the remainder as 9. Okay, so this is the number we are looking for, 609. We have find out the LCM and then it is written that it should leave the remainder as 9. So the original number will be, we have to add 9 to it. We have got 609 as the answer. Now find the least number of 5 digits that is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. So kids, what we have to do here is we have to find the LCM. First, I'll tell you how you have to do this question. Yeah, so I'm writing it here. Answer 23. We have 16, 18, 24 and 30. What we have to do? We have to find the least number which when divide, least number of 5 digits. So what we will do? We will first find out the least common multiple. Okay. So let's find out the least common multiple. We have 2 here, 8, 9, 12 and 15. Then we can use 4, 2, 9, 3 and 15. Then we can use 3, 2 as is, 3, 1 and 5. And then I can use 2, 3 and 5 as is. So what is the LCM? It will be 2 into 4 into 3 into these 3. 2 into 3 into 5. So if we will multiply all these, we have 3 into 3 is 9, 18 and 4 is 72. So we have 720 as the LCM. Now what we have to find? We have to find the least number of 5 digits. What is the least number of 5 digits, kids? This is the least number of 5 digits. But we need a number which is exactly divisible by 720. All these numbers. That means this number should be a 5-digit number and a multiple of 720. Okay. So if we take the table of 720 till 10, we will get 7200, which is less than this. Okay. What we need is, we need something which is more, which is of 5 digits. This is still a 4-digit number. So let's try do this with 15. Okay. Let us try to multiply this 15. We'll have 5 into 2 is 10, 35, 36 and 72, 0, 8, 21. Right? And this 0. This is much greater. Now let us try with 14 here. 1, 2 is 8, 28 and 72. 8, 10, 1, 0, 0, 8. So kids, this is very near to this. So what we will do? We will, I hope you have understood this. what we have done, we know that 720 multiplied with 10 will give us the maximum number as 7200, which is in 4-digit series. So in 5-digit series, what we have done, we have multiplied this 720 into 14 to get the number which is in 5-digit series and the lowest also. So that number is 10080 we are looking for. Okay. Now, the greatest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by this. So, same question, kids. What you have to do in this case is find the LCM, and now you have to find the greatest number of 5 digits. The greatest number of 5 digit is this. You have to find something which is nearer to this. First of all, what you have to do is find the LCM. Once you know the LCM, find the multiple which falls in the 5-digit series, and it should be greatest also. Okay, this is also very easy. Next, what we have is three bells toll at intervals of 9, 12, and 15. If they start tolling together, after what time will they next toll together? So we have done the similar question for clock chime also. What we have to do here is, I'm doing it here very fast. 9, 12, and 15 are the three numbers in minutes. So we have 9, 12, and 15. We have to find their common multiple, the least common multiple. That is when they will tick together. They will toll together, sorry. We have 3 common in all, and 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, and then nothing is common. So I can say the LCM is 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. This is 20 and this is 9. So LCM is 180 minutes. So that means they are going to toll again after 180 minutes. Next, 3 boys step off together from the same place. If their step measure is 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter, and 54, at what distance from the starting points will they again step together? This is very much similar to what we have done just now. You have to find their least common multiple. Then most of the questions are same, kids. The traffic light at 3 different road crossings changes after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds, and 108 seconds. If they start changing simultaneously at 8 am, after how much time will they change again simultaneously? Same thing. We have to find the LCM of 48, 72, and 108. Okay, let's do this question. This is answer 27. I'm erasing this. I'm solving it here. We have 48, 72, and 108. Okay, so let's try this with 4. This is 12. This is and 8. 54 here. Now what we have next is 4. No, we cannot use 4 here, right? So we can use 6 into 2 to 3, 9. Next we can use 3, 1 and 3. So what is our LCM here? LCM is 4 into 6 into 3 into 2 into 3 because of these two we are writing here. Okay, and now what is the LCM? Here we have 3 into 2 is 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 12 is the LCM. So let's find out. This is 72 and 36. 2 and 432 minutes. So answer is 432 centimeter. Sorry, this is time. 432 minutes. Yeah, is given to us. Now, what is written here is that after how much time it is going to again tick after 8 am, right? So kids, first of all, what we have to do is let us change this 432 minutes to hours. right? We have 432 minutes and we can change it to hours first. So kids, it is given to us as in seconds. It's not in minutes. Wait. Yeah. This is given to us in seconds. So this is 432 seconds. Now let us convert this 432 seconds to minutes, right? So 432 seconds, it will be equal to what? Let's divide this with 60, right? So I'm just taking 6 here first. So we have 6 into 7 and 2. Okay, so what we will have here is we will have 7 minutes 12 seconds, right? We have 7 minutes and 12 seconds. So after 7 minutes and 12 seconds, it is going to tick again, right? This is done. Next, what we have is 3 measuring rods are 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 75 centimeter in length. What is the least length in meters of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these? Simple, we have to take the LCM because we have been asked to find the least length. Okay. Then an electronic device makes a beep after every 15 minutes. Another device makes a beep at 20 minutes and they beep together at 6 a.m. At what time they will beep together again? Same thing, we have to find the LCM of 15 and 20. Okay, and it is given in minutes. So whatever we will get in LCM, we have to add it to 6 a.m. to get the next time. And this question we have already done, right? So we have done all the questions based on HCF and LCM kits, and this is the end of this chapter, HCM and LCM. And now I will see you in next class with the new chapter. I will see you all in the next class now. Thank you.